Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Mark Golding, or the opposition leader, carry one private members bill go parliament where say people must can use pepper spray for defend themselves. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said them are looking at over one-time policeman bulletproof vest end up with gunman in a Spanish town, St. Catherine. Otney Loban, who police claims say are the leader for the one other gang, get Lego after somebody who claims that them swear go on in a one case, no come pint him out. Mike Sands, who the NACAC president, said Jamaica will keep the 2022 Carifta Track and Field Championship from April 16 to 18. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Mark Golding, or the opposition leader, carry one private members bill go parliament where say people must can use pepper spray for defend themselves. As according to Mr. Golding, from what day the woman them under pressure and people are hurt them more, so certain things in the bill need for sort out. Mr. Golding did a talk in the House of Representatives yesterday and him say under the law them right now, it no legal to carry pepper spray and this need for change. Cabinet get go ahead for some change make to the National Solid Waste Management Act will make the people them who serve on the National Solid Waste Management Board NSWMA can serve longer upon the board. With the new change them, the member them can serve up to 9 years upon the board. Before this, the member them could have only served for 5 years. Favour Williams, or the Information Minister, said this yesterday at one post-cabinet meeting. Minister Williams said the government do this for be open when them a pick the board member them. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said them are looking at one-time policeman bulletproof vest end up with gunman in a Spanish town, St. Catherine. The police said them find the vest in our operation where them do with some soldier on St. John's Road in a Spanish town on October 9. As according to Deputy Superintendent Linroy Edwards, who are the head for operations for the St. Catherine North Police Division, the police are trying to find out if the one-time officer did give them back the vest or if somebody did thief it. Otney Loban, who police claims are the leader for the one other gang, get Lego off of somebody who claims that them see were going in a one case no come pint him out. Somebody did for pint him out pan one gun case. Mr. Loban did get locked up for gang war we going in a Spanish town and he may go back to court next week for go against the Disaster Risk Management Act. On top of that, he may go back to court for answer some charge for a drive without one license, for not having no insurance on the car where he did a drive, and for behave bad and a fight when police are lock him up. The police charge music producer Shabdan for go against the Corruption Prevention Act. Him get charged for go against Section 2 of the Corruption Prevention Act. The Corruption Prevention Act said nobody no for offer no public servant no money, no gift or nothing at all for them do no crime for them. As according to the police report, Shabdan offered one policeman $2 million for make one gun with it in the car when did a drive go missing. Now for sports. Mike Sands, who was the NACAC president, said Jamaica will keep the 2022 Carifta Track and Field Championship from April 16 to 18. As according to Sands, the NACAC did ask the Jamaica Athletic Administration JAA to keep the championship. The last time the games did keep are in 2019. The COVID-19 virus did force it to stop and none to keep after that. Guyana did for keep the 2022 games, but them asked to keep it next year cause them have some problem now. Jamaica keep the Carifta games 6 times already. The last time are in 2011. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.